Namaste, dear wonderful mother and caring father. Thank you very much for showing interest in our ad on Facebook on Acharya's Garbhashala. My name is Pradeep Acharya. I'm a father of two divine children and husband to an awesome woman, a mechanical engineer turned into a human engineer. I'm also the co-founder of Brainathon and inventor of anti-boring approach towards studies. My wife and I are on a mission to support 90,000 women on their journey to motherhood. Today we'll be discussing something very important and significant, modern science and Garbha Sanskara. To make you understand, I would like to give you an example in terms of ratio. I have two apples, a small apple which is of 50 grams, a big apple which is 500 grams. Listen to this very carefully. It will blow your mind. It will blow your mind. Small apple is 50 grams, bigger apple is 500 grams. अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे बड़ा एप्पल छोटे एप्पल से कितना गुना बड़ा है ओके द बिगर एप्पल इज बिगर इन साइज इफ वी टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशियो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द बिगर एप्पल इज बिगर देन स्मॉलर एप्पल definitely you would say 10 times 50 into 10 is 500 okay the bigger apple is 10 times bigger than the smaller apple. Now, important thing, when the child is born, on an average, the weight in India would be 3 kilograms. Okay, when the child is born, it will be on an average 3 kilograms. Say, for example, when I was born, I was 3 kilograms. When I die, on an average, my weight would be around 90 kilograms. So we will assume, okay, we will assume 90 kilograms is my weight. When I was born, 3. When I die, 90. And I lived for 90 years. 90 years. In 90 years, what is the growth rate? जो 3 किलो का था वो 90 किलो हुआ. That 3 kilos to become 90 kilos, it took 90 years. What is the ratio? It is 30 times growth. ये 30 टाइम्स ग्रो होने के लिए हमें 90 साल लगा. Okay, now keep your back straight and listen to this. This is the information which I was sharing with you, and this will definitely blow your mind. Now, when you conceived, during conception, an egg and a sperm, on an average the weight would be 0.04 milligrams. On an average the weight would be 0.04 milligrams. And at birth the average weight would be around 3 kilograms. If we convert it into milligrams, it will become 30 lakh milligrams. Now, जो 0.04 मिलीग्राम्स था वो 30 लाख मिलीग्राम्स बन गया. ओके ये बनने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा? हाउ मच टाइम डिड इट टेक? we'll talk about it. 7 crore 50 lakh times it has grown inside your womb. Inside your womb, the child has grown 7 crore 50 lakh times. And how much time did it take? Just in 9 months. After birth, till I die, only 30 times growth. But during pregnancy, 7 crore 50 lakh times growth in just 9 months. So you have to know how to take care of your thoughts, how to take care of your feelings, how to take care of your actions. Every second lost is a year lost in child's life. So to help you to understand how to design, develop and deliver a divine baby, we are conducting a live webinar this Sunday. Attend this webinar and make your pregnancy precious. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a healthy pregnancy and safe delivery. Love to see you live.